Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Chapter number 2, Shloka number 53. śhruti-vipratipannā yadā sthāsyati niśhchalā samādhāv-achalā buddhis tadā yogam avāpsyasi. Supreme Lord Shri Krishna says, when your intellect is no longer disturbed by the flowery language of the Vedas, and when it remains fixed and steady in the self, then you will have attained self-realization. Śhruti-vipratipannā means not being influenced to perform rituals for rewards as given in the Vedic scriptures. Shruti refers to Vedas and scriptures and implies shravanam or learning through hearing them. When one hears about the eternal spiritual truth and after hearing about this truth, if Shruti is saying about the fruitive activities, one stays fixed and unshaken, yadā sthāsyati niśhchalā. Then one is not disturbed by fruitive activities and stays fixed in samādhāv-achalā buddhi. Here it is interesting that Shri Krishna is not saying achala manaha. Instead he is saying samādhāv-achalā buddhi, indicating that our mind becomes deluded because our intelligence is deluded. Once our intelligence is completely fixed, then the mind is also unable to shake us. Just as waves shake a boat, but if the boat is strongly anchored, it will not shake as much. Similarly, in samādhāv-achalā buddhi, once we are convinced that Shri Krishna is the ultimate goal, our intelligence will never be shaken. Tadā yogam avāpsyasi. At that time, we can realize that we have attained self-realization. Samādhi is not the loss of consciousness, but the highest kind of consciousness, wherein the object with which the mind-intellect equipment is in communion with the divine self, which is the result of the discrimination between the real and unreal, that is, self and non-self. We must act with equanimity, which is more important than the action itself. The question here is not what shall we do, but how shall we do and with what spirit shall we do. While karma implies action, buddhi implies how to act. Buddhi yoga is the method by which we go beyond Vedic ritualism and do our duty without any attachment for the results of our action. The key point here is how this detachment will help the karma yogi to progress further and eventually achieve the goal by understanding how the challenges faced by his intellect in dealing with the world of sense objects will be tackled. Arjuna, who was listening all the while, will ask this question now, and we will see how this discussion progresses further. Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna.